Alrighty, so this is our Student Services Building, or SSB for short. So this is more or less the administrative hub of the college. Many different administrative functions happen here. So, an example, right behind me here, we have our enrollment services desk. So these are the people that you would come to make your payments. So whether it's your deposit, your tuition payment, fees, whatever it may be. Or if you need questions with the application or admissions processes, we have our recruitment and admissions team located here as well. And we're happy to chat with you at any time. Also located a little bit down the way, we do have our financial aid office. So financial aid is there if you had any questions or concerns about paying for school. So whether it's OSAP, scholarships, awards, bursaries, on-campus jobs, whatever it may be, financial aid is the place to go. On-campus jobs are worked through our work-study program. And so the way it works is that you're able to work in a variety of different fields. So for example, you could work with our enrollment services team here. You could work at the campus recreation wellness center and work in the athletics facility, or you become a tour guide, for example. So there's tons of opportunities for you to work on campus so long as you demonstrate financial need. Another service I want to mention is located down the hallway here. We have SALS. So SALS is the Student Academic Learning Service. So it's more or less an academic support to help you with the obvious academic portion of college. So there they offer peer tutoring. So peer tutoring is available for students. You're able to take up to 2 different courses for a maximum of 12 hours per semester. And the tutoring is free. So you might as well take advantage of it if you find that you're struggling in some of your core courses. They also have general teachers available in there as well. So these general teachers are for more of the general subjects. So math, English, sciences, things like that. So if you need help writing a paper, maybe you need help with a citation or formatting, whatever it may be, or learning a chemistry concept, accounting principles, whatever it may be, SALS is the place to go if you find you're struggling academically. Located down the hallway over here, we have our International Students Office. So if you are an international student, we want to welcome you here to Ontario and Canada. But obviously there's going to be certain issues that you may come across or certain features of being an international student that a domestic student may not fully understand. So we have a dedicated International Students Office to answer any of the questions that you may have about visas, living on campus, all those sorts of different things. Also, a little bit down the hall, we also have our Career Development Office. So Career Development's main job is trying to make you as employable as possible. So the way they do that is by offering workshops on resumes, cover letters, job interviews, whatever it may be, to help you feel more secure in your employability. Another great thing that they administer through the Career Development Office is our Durham College Hired Portal. So the Hired Portal is a Durham College-specific job site that connects employers with students. So right now we have about 300 different jobs advertised on there in a wide variety of different areas. And the best thing you can do, you can input your actual program in there. So if you're in Police Foundations, for example, you can put Police Foundations as your program, and it will show you all the different jobs that they're looking for, or that employers are looking for Police Foundations graduates and current students. So if you're looking for a full-time job, a part-time job, summer opportunities, placement opportunities, whatever it may be, the Hired Portal is a great place to start. And you have access to career development services. So that includes the workshops as well as the Hired Portal for life as a Durham College alumni. So obviously, we live in an interesting world, so it's always good to know what sort of employable resources you have available to you as a Durham College student and alumni.